slow English vlog. Today I need to clear the table. The table is very, very messy and dirty. I need to clear the whole table. I am going to use this cloth and Dettol spray. Right now, this cloth is very dry. I am going to take this bottle of spray and spray it onto the cloth. Now I am going to place the cloth onto the table and clear the items off the table. On this table there is an envelope, a battery, and a pencil. I am going to place these items into the drawer. There are also some crumbs on the table that I need to take off the table first. Now I am going to spray my cloth and spray the table. The table is wet. I am going to wipe across the table from left to right until it is fully clean. The cloth has become dirty after I have wiped the table. I am wiping my hand across the table and checking for any dirt on my fingers to make sure that it is clean.